Hello friends, greetings to all. Thank you for the support for the last videos. In this video, let us learn some basics which are most essential for an engineer and also for a common person. This video deals with the measurements. Let us learn with an example. This is a plot and let us see what will be its measurement. We are aware of the measurement units like millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. While measuring a land, normally feet and inches are used. This meter or feet unit will sometimes give a confusion. Let us sort it out. There are many systems of units. At present, the international system of units are used universally, which are mentioned here. Here, if it comes to length, then replace the term unit as meter. So here millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer and kilometer. If we are measuring for a weight, then the unit term to be replaced as gram. So this sequence will be milligram, centigram, decigram, gram, decagram, hectogram and kilogram. Let us see the relation between these milli, centi, those things and all. If we take it as length, then it will be millimeter, centimeter. And what is the relation between those things? We'll see now. This sequence will increase 10 times greater than previous. Suppose if we take centimeter, then it is expressed as 10 mm. So 10 mm is 1 centimeter. Here the increment is 10 to the power 1. Likewise, 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter. 10 decimeter is equal to 1 meter, which is also 100 centimeters and 1000 millimeters. Further, 10 meter is 1 DAM, that we'll say it as decameter. 10 decameter is equal to 1 hectometer. Here the unit is hectometer, which is not the hectare. Hectare is a unit measured for area. Now we are dealing with linear measurements, means length. So kindly note that this is hectometer. 10 hectometer is a kilometer. I will show the units which are used frequently, which will be rounded here. And these are those. Millimeter, 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. 1000 millimeter is equal to 1 meter, which is 100 centimeter, or 10 decimeter. And 1000 meters is 1 kilometer. So these are all the sum of the basic units. Now let us move to the next type of system. This type of system which are used by British are not presently used widely. Let us see those. In SI system, millimeter is the least unit. However, there are still least units exist like nanometer, etc. Here this is the imperial system of units. Here the least unit is inch and it is represented as double quote symbol. 12 inches will make together 1 feet. The feet is expressed as single quote symbol, as you can see it here. And for 1 yard it is 3 feet, or we can say it as 36 inches. Let us see the relationship between SI units and imperial units here. 25.4 millimeter is an inch, that is 2.54 centimeters. Already we have seen that 12 inches will be 1 feet. If we express in term of centimeter, it will be 30.48 centimeter. For convenience, we are saying 1 feet is equal to 30 centimeter or 300 mm. With this relation, let us see the area measurement. As said, if 30 centimeter is 1 feet, then 300 centimeter will be 10 feet, which can be seen here. Now, let us see for a single meter unit length, which is 100 centimeter. Here, since 30.48 centimeter is a feet, for 100 centimeters, there will be 3 feet and few inches extra. That is 3.28 feet. With this relation, if we see the area measurement, 1 square meter in 1 square meter there will be 10.76 square feet. This figure shows that in 1 meter 2.38 feet are there. If we make a 1 square meter box, then there will be 9 full boxes of 1 feet and some extra area. This extra area is estimated as 1.76 square feet. So there are 10.76 square feet in 1 square meter. After knowing about these relationships between feet and meter, let us go to our original earlier photo of the land where we have to measure. So here the plot was measured as 50 feet by 50 feet. So if we convert it in meters, it is 15.24 meter by 15.24 meter. This area will be 2500 square feet, 232.34 square meters. This 2500 square feet can also be said as 1 ground or 1 ground plus 100 square feet. How? I will explain this at the end of this video. After knowing the area conversion, it will be interesting to see the volume conversion also, where this will be useful. For example, while water is released from dam, we will be hearing the term 3000 cubic feet per second of water is released. So how much is it? How much liters of water is that? For that we have to see the volume conversion also. So let us see that. If we project the 1 square meter area to the height of 1 meter, we will get 1 cubic meter box. So this is a box with sides 1 meter length, 1 meter depth and 1 meter width. How many cubic feet boxes are there in this 1 cubic meter? So let us see that. If we divide it as did earlier, we will get 27 full boxes of 1 cubic feet and some volume extra. If we calculate, so totally in 1 cubic meter there will be 35.3 cubic feet. For information, 1 cubic meter box will be able to store 1000 liters of water. So I will give a question here to you. So how much water we can store in 1 cubic feet? Kindly calculate and post your comment. Now let us see this table. Here we can see some practical units. 1 cent is 435.6 square feet. So normally we will, if we want to buy a land, then we will ask how much cent it is, how many square feet it is. So if it is expressed in square feet, then if we divide this square feet by 435 square feet, then we will get how much cent it is. Okay. So, and another one term is ground. 2400 square feet will be called as 1 ground. In our earlier problem, we have measured 2500 square feet. So which is 1 ground and 100 square feet. Likewise, 100 cent is 1 acre. 10 lakh square meter is 1 hectare. So if we convert it, 1 acre is equal to 4046.86 square meters or 0.4046 hectare. And let us see the volume conversion also now. 1 cubic meter is equal to 35.3 cubic feet. 100 cubic feet is normally called as 1 unit, which is 2.83 cubic meter. So friends, that's all for today. I hope this video will be informative. Kindly share and like the video. Subscribe our channel for such useful informations. Thank you.